Another Eastern Washington adventure. This time I got my son here. He's been out a few times, but never really got the bug. He's getting a little bit older now, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, got a little squeaker here. Dig that up and see what we got. Alright, there's the product of my first hole today. 100% what it is yet. Huh. I'll come back to you, clean it off, and we'll get a good picture of it. Mylen, he's getting to it. What do you think you found?
I don't know. Honestly, probably other, like a little collar or a screw.
What if it's a gold coin?
I don't know.
Alright, I'll let you know what he finds. Yep, right in that area. Now go ahead and get a hole started with your probe. You'll go around in a circle, like you're cutting a pie around the crust.
Rocks in my way.
Alright, now that little bit of dirt you got off, pull it out of the hole. And then check with your pinpointer again. Watch your probe. Is it doing anything?
Vibrating.
Okay, so it's right in that area. That's where you want to dig straight down to until you find it, okay? We'll let you know what he finds. Alright, looks like we found one thing already, but he's looking for something else.
It's just my hand.
Here's one part of it. What do we got here?
There. Nope.
Alright, this is probably it, bud. There you go. Yep, good job cleaning up your hole. Now what do we say?
Wash this, I don't know.
How about on to the next one?
On to the next one.
Alright, I got a couple markers here. One there. And one somewhere right over there. Alright, we're going to check them out. I'm right next to a very pretty busy road right here, so you'll definitely hear some traffic. What is it? Is it out of the ground? Okay, when you find it, come bring it all over. Right there is a little piece of iron something. Hopefully it's not another tin can. I'll let you know. So it wasn't too crazy. It was just a big chunk of iron. Okay, we'll come back to Mylen when he's got it out. Alright, Mylen gives up.
Yeah, too long, guys. Maybe another day we'll come back and try to get it.
Yeah, see, it's a pretty long piece of...
It's all the way right here.
Yeah, I'm sure it's railroad tie.
Yeah.
Alright, on to the next one.
Maybe one day we'll try to find it. Bye.
Okay. So, last video, as you recall, I dug a big hole. Had 2 rocks on top of it. Well, let's hope that this one is better. Hey, it's not a tin can. It's a metal pole. Alright, I'm gonna pull it out. Hopefully it's a time capsule. Alright, as I said, it's a metal pole. And it is a time capsule. It wasted a whole bunch of my time, but you gotta dig them all. Alright, so I came over here to help Mylen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, he needed help because his pointer's old, doesn't work as well as mine.
Yeah.
I got it out and I wouldn't let him look. Are you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, I came over here by this tree. Mylen's over there where he found his coin. See him? Let's see here. There he is. Alright, anyway, back to what I was saying. Right about here, there's a 92 signal. Nice and clear. Don't mind my cords, my camera died, so I gotta charge it. It's funny, because I charged it the day before. Yep, pretty good signal. We'll see what it is. Oh. I moved it. Must be on top. Oh, of course. Alright, I'm going to the next one. Alright, Mylen's on a hot streak. What'd you get?
Penny right here.
Oh yeah, another Lincoln. Alright. Who are you digging with?
The Eastern Washington Adventures.
Alright, awesome. Like and subscribe. So, Eastern Washington Adventures, I came over here and I found a really, really solid 92, 93 signal. Let's see if I can get it on there again. Well, it was more solid before. Now that I got it exposed, it's not as good, but anyway, it's way down there. Alright, I'll catch you on the next one. Alright, so I got my first coin of the day now. Let's see if I can get it on here. Oh. I have to look at that real quick. Oh, it's a Lincoln. Where are we at? There it is. Alrighty, Eastern Washington Adventures, me and the My. On to the next one. Alrighty, found a nail. Let's see what else I can find. Alrighty, me and Mylen decided to go check this out real quick. I don't know if it's just trash or if it is where somebody was sleeping. It's like a bunch of garbage to me right now. Yeah, this sucks. Somebody dumped their trash. Alright. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, it's My on the case with his rough pinpointer, as he just said a minute ago. What's that from, Mylen?
Paw Patrol.
Look at me.
Paw Patrol.
There you go. What'd you find?
I just found this and it was a detector.
A rock? What's down there? It was ringing at 75 on my detector. I'm gonna let him dig it.
And keep it.
And keep it, apparently. Alright, what'd you find?
Looks like a sword tab.
Maybe a piece of aluminum.
Yeah.
Alright, now.
A weird coin for a minute. Next.
On to the next one. So, me and Mylen were walking to a different spot over here. We can see a whole bunch of trash again. I just happened to swing the detector over that, so. Alright, see you on the next one. Alrighty, Eastern Washington Adventures. Here's another dirty spot that we found. My's getting ready. And then here's the tracks and the houses. I'll let you know what we find. Alright, here's Mylen. Working on this fence line. Gonna see what we find. You know what happens when you dig next to a railroad track? There's like the fourth of these I've found, but I just ignore them because I'm like, wait, that's not good. Then I dig this one and yep. Alright, something a little bit different. Kind of cool. Little Hot Wheels piece. Alright, here we go. Keep going on the venture. Alright, here's another find. Not really sure what it is. Mylen wants to claim it even though he didn't dig it, but oh, it says party time. Say party time.
Party time.
Alright, my camera's dying, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get this, but let's see. Looks shiny. Oh, it's not what I thought it was. Oh well. It's like a piece to a speaker wire or something. Alright, well, I'll keep digging and see what we find. Eastern Washington Adventures. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of My. Alright, last find of the day. My hits the nickel.
Yes.
Alright. And
Next on Eastern Washington Adventures.
alright, My, tell them what kind of day we had.
Awesome, amazing day.
What'd you find?
Screws, I think a bolt, copper, some pennies.
A rock. Did you have fun? Do you want to come back sometime?
Yes.